When people say, as they do, that you are the greatest pianist of this century, do you believe them?
But only, not, I do not believe them, but I get very angry when I hear that, because it is absolute, sheer, horrible nonsense. There isn't such a thing as the greatest pianist of any time, of anyone, nor anything. Nothing in art can be the best. It is only different. I don't think that an artist, whatever it is, a painter, sculptor, musician, performer, composer, whatever, somebody who has the title of being an artist, of having to do with arts, must have an unconfoundable personality. He must be the one and nobody else. For me, if one says, oh, he plays, it's a second Liszt or second Paderewski or a second is already wrong, If he's a second, he's no good at all. He's an imitator. An artist in any way must be alone, a world by himself.